Do you long for him to miss you, chase you, and treasure you deeply? In this video, discover 7 powerful steps inspired by ancient Buddhist wisdom to transform your energy, elevate your self-worth, and naturally attract his attention. The secret lies not in chasing, but in being. Let's begin. To make him miss you, the first thing you need to do is focus on detachment. Detachment does not mean you stop caring. It means you stop clinging to the outcome of your efforts. This principle, rooted in ancient wisdom, teaches us that desperation repels, while calm and confident energy attracts. When you stop chasing someone, you give them space to reflect on what your presence brings to their life. Detachment allows you to reclaim your energy, focus on yourself, and subtly make them wonder why you're no longer constantly available. Absence creates value, and when you learn to detach with grace, you naturally become someone worth missing. Next, shift your energy inward by cultivating inner peace. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate calm, collected confidence. Inner peace doesn't come from external validation. It arises from understanding that you are whole and complete as you are. This journey begins with mindfulness. Meditation, for instance, trains your mind to stay present rather than obsessing over what someone else is thinking. Yoga, journaling, or even taking walks in nature can help ground you in the moment. When your mind is still, your energy becomes magnetic. Men are particularly drawn to women who seem unshaken by external circumstances. Peace exudes strength, and strength is irresistible. To make him miss you, become the best version of yourself. This is not about changing who you are, but rather enhancing what's already within you. Focus on improving your health, pursuing your passions, and developing your talents. Whether it's taking up a new hobby, advancing your career, or expanding your knowledge, self-improvement naturally boosts your self-esteem. High self-esteem radiates confidence, and confidence is magnetic. When he sees that you're someone who is constantly evolving, he'll want to be part of your journey. Men admire women who have full, vibrant lives that aren't centered around them. Show him that you're the kind of person who can stand on her own, and he'll see you as someone worth pursuing. Presence is another powerful tool. When you're with him, be fully present. Put away your phone, listen actively, and create moments of genuine connection. This level of attentiveness leaves a lasting impression. At the same time, practice being present in your own life when you're not with him. Focus on your work, your friends, and your passions. Immerse yourself in the present moment rather than worrying about the future or overanalyzing the past. Presence is contagious. When he feels your attention and sees that you're deeply engaged in life, he'll start to wonder what you're doing when you're not with him. This sense of curiosity naturally leads to longing. Visualization is a technique that aligns with the principle of intentionality. What you focus on expands. To make him miss you, take time each day to visualize the kind of relationship you want. Picture the qualities you desire in a partner: loyalty, kindness, passion, and respect. Imagine these traits manifesting in your connection. By focusing on the positive aspects of love rather than the fear of losing someone, you shift your vibration. The law of attraction operates on energy, and when you emit a frequency of love, respect, and abundance, you draw those qualities into your life. Visualization helps you stay aligned with your desires, while also creating a powerful sense of self-worth. When you believe you deserve the love you want, it becomes inevitable. Letting go is perhaps the most difficult yet most liberating step. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the tight grip of control. When you cling to someone or something, you're signaling to the universe that you're afraid of losing it. Fear and scarcity repel what you desire. Instead, trust the flow of life. Trust that if he's meant to be in your life, he will find his way back to you. Letting go creates a sense of freedom, and freedom is intoxicating. It shows that you're not dependent on anyone for your happiness. Paradoxically, when you release someone, they're more likely to come back to you because they sense your independence and confidence. Joy is a magnet. The happier you are, the more people want to be around you. To make him miss you, cultivate a sense of joy that doesn't rely on his presence. Find happiness in your daily routines, whether it's through creative expression, physical activity, or spending time with loved ones. Pursue activities that light you up from the inside. When he sees that you're genuinely happy without him, he'll start to wonder why. Joy is contagious. It's one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When you embody happiness, you become someone who adds value to others' lives, and that's impossible to ignore. Self-care plays a crucial role in this process. Taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually sends a message that you value yourself. Invest time in your appearance, not for him, but for you. Whether it's getting a new haircut, updating your wardrobe, or simply taking the time to nourish your body with healthy foods, self-care boosts your confidence. Emotional self-care is equally important. Surround yourself with positive influences and set boundaries with those who drain your energy. Spiritual self-care, whether it's through prayer, meditation, or gratitude, helps you stay grounded and connected to a sense of purpose. When you prioritize self-care, you become someone who respects herself, and others, including him, will follow suit. Creating space for him in your life, both physically and emotionally, is another powerful step. This doesn't mean waiting around for him, but rather symbolically preparing for his presence. Clear a side of the bed, leave room in your closet, or simply declutter your environment. These small acts send a signal to the universe that you're ready to welcome someone into your life. On an emotional level, creating space means letting go of past hurts and opening your heart to love. It means being willing to receive without fear or hesitation. When you create this kind of openness, you align yourself with the possibility of connection. Service is a cornerstone of fulfilling relationships. Shift your mindset from what you can get to what you can give. Think about the qualities you bring to a relationship and how you can enrich someone else's life. This might include your sense of humor, your kindness, your ability to listen, or your adventurous spirit. Focus on cultivating these traits, not just for him, but for everyone in your life. When you approach relationships with a spirit of giving, you naturally attract people who value what you have to offer. This doesn't mean overextending yourself or ignoring your needs. It means finding a balance between giving and receiving. Confidence is another critical aspect of making him miss you. Confidence is not arrogance. It's a quiet assurance that you are enough as you are. Confidence comes from knowing your worth and refusing to settle for less than you deserve. It's about walking into a room and not needing to prove anything because you already know your value. Confidence is magnetic because it's rare. When you exude confidence, you become someone people want to be around. Confidence doesn't mean you won't have moments of doubt. It means you don't let those moments define you. Practice self-affirmations. Surround yourself with supportive people and remind yourself daily of your strengths. Time is an often overlooked element of attraction. Absence, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool. When you're constantly available, you lose some of the mystery that makes relationships exciting. Give him the opportunity to miss you by occasionally stepping back. This doesn't mean playing hard to get. It means living your life fully so that he has the chance to notice your absence. Time apart creates space for reflection. It allows him to think about what makes you special and why he values your presence. When you're not always there, your moments together become more meaningful. Finally, gratitude is the foundation of abundance. Be grateful for the love you already have in your life, whether it's from friends, family, or even yourself. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. It creates a positive energy that attracts more to be grateful for. When you're grateful, you radiate a warmth that draws people in. Gratitude also helps you stay grounded and appreciate the journey rather than obsessing over the destination. When he sees that you're someone who values life's blessings, he'll want to be part of your world. Each of these steps builds upon the other, creating a holistic approach to attracting love and connection. Detach from desperation, cultivate inner peace, invest in your growth, practice presence, visualize the love you desire, let go of the outcome, and find joy within yourself. As you embody these principles, you'll notice a shift, not just in how others perceive you, but in how you perceive yourself. Love starts from within, and when you align with that truth, you become a magnet for the love you deserve.